Welcome back to the EagleCraft YouTube channel. Yet a new boat launch for us. This is our 38-foot landing craft in our landing craft series. This is the largest that we will typically build with outboards. You can see the 450 Yamahas on the back of this particular one. And what's unique about this particular size is it is still able to carry a full-size pickup truck. You can see we have a nice hydraulic ramp on the cargo deck. And with those twin 450s on the back, this boat's rated for over 7,000 pounds. And at that, it can still plane out at 18 to 20 knots, no problem, depending on sea conditions. Lightly loaded, wide open throttle. This is an over 40 knot boat the way it's configured. Of course, plenty of space here. So again, this is particularly designed for a full-size crew cab truck. With the opening width. This particular one is not going to be used for a vehicle. That's why you see the smaller fold-out ramp there. Typically, if it's going to be a vehicle carrying one, we would have a larger one. Just the little things, we've gone ahead and put a full hydraulic ramp on board. You can see bow docking lights, a full windlass with capstan. You can see the small crane there to move your cargo. Just to give you an overall idea of the space on board. Again, it's absolutely massive. So tons of flexibility to carry cargo and things of that nature. You can see the nice side door that we built in, and we have all the small things. The wheelhouse is fully insulated with a diesel furnace for the environment here in the Pacific Northwest where this particular boat's going to operate. But we have sent these worldwide, and we have built several with air conditioning for warmer climates. You can see we have a small washdown pump to keep the deck nice and clean. And then of course we have access to all the systems in the transom there for you. So let's hop up here in the wheelhouse and give you a better look. So as you make into the wheelhouse, you can see right there the door in front of us. That is for the head. And of course you can see the nice layout. This particular boat has 6-passenger layout plus the helmsman. If you do not want the head in the boat, we can always add another row of seats, getting you up to 8 passengers. There's the head inside the boat. And then of course, if you don't need to carry cargo as large as a full-size crew cab truck, we can also extend this wheelhouse for additional seating if that's what you require. So there you have it, the tried and true dash here from EagleCraft. Has everything you need, nothing you don't, with the nice Garmin electronics, full suite, the nice Yamaha binnacle there, bow thruster, and all the lights on board the boat. And just again, we customized this to fit this customer's exact needs, but this gives you an idea of our landing craft range that's primarily built for outboards. So this range starts at 32 and goes up to 38, and then we have a larger design portfolio starting at 43 and goes up to 50 feet. So feel free to contact us if you have any questions about this landing craft or any of our other products that we offer. Best way to reach out to us is EagleCraft.com or 1-888-393-6464. We look forward to hearing from you soon.